Hi, my name is Raghu, and this is my HubSpot solution for Event Loop community. Event Loop community is a startup community connecting founders, investors, mentors, and startup enthusiasts. This project is based on Event Loop community. As communities grow, like managing members manually becomes inefficient. That's the reason I built this HubSpot solution to take care of the entire members' data. And the business problem here was during the networking event, it was like manual registration and onboarding process and missing the follow-ups and no visibility to the member engagement, and also like lack of communication in terms of tracking and measuring growth. My solution oriented approach was like I selected contacts as the main CRM object because every community member is managed as a contact. Then I added like custom properties like city, startup stage, interest, engagement score, and life cycle stage to segment members and personal engagement. Then was it was like creating the landing page and registration form to capture members' data. Then it was like showing the life cycle stages with the engagement scores in terms of how much the community members were engaged and those kinds of things. Then it was like building workflows to automate repetitive tasks and dashboard to monitor the community growth and support data driven. Like these were the different stages of the members. Now let's deep dive into the practical approach of the solution. It was a kind of manual work in terms of the handling data, taking their data and managing that. My objective was to build a centralized HubSpot CRM that automates registrations, track engagement, and manages lifecycle status. I will go through the entire workflow as of now. I'll go through the contacts and CRM structure. Here I have like edited, created a custom properties like a city, industry, company, LinkedIn URL, engagement score, event interest, and membership status. For the sample, like I have imported like 50 contacts, and also like I've also done a field mapping through lead, marketing qualified lead, sales qualified lead, opportunity, and customer. I'll also like I've kept like engagement score in terms of identifying ambassadors, prioritize follow-ups, and identifying the different users through exclusive events and re-engaging inactive members. Like I'll just walk through the workflows as of now. Yeah, this is the workflow I had built for the event registration. Well, welcome workflow and getting the engagement score to 10. After that, event confirmation, and after the event confirmation, I will get indication. And if the event status is like the kind of I've given different conditions to follow up with the different stages, and also the event status is attended, then sending them a thank you email, those kinds of things. I will go through with the another workflow. This is a kind of qualified lead kind of a workflow, setting the engagement score to 70. Then the people would have I will get a intimation regarding that, and then I'll be creating a kind of communications what I've been worked through and all those kinds of things. And up next, like there is a landing page, like people who are be registered, like getting these kinds of landing page, they'll be entering all their details and submitting. And this is a form which I had attested into that landing page itself, like the basic details. And next I'll go through the reporting dashboard. Yeah, these are the reporting dashboards, like showcasing all the details like the number of people attended and how are the highly engaged members and the people from different cities, and also kind of engagement scores and highly engagement members and month on month increased engagement, these kinds of things. And also I've integrated this to Gmail, where the HubSpot is integrated here, where I can send all the information through mail and all those details. Yeah, this was the overall solution, like where it focuses more on automating the repetitive tasks, improving the reporting, and providing better visibility into community growth. and all other aspects of growing the community. Yeah, thank you for watching my